Hey guys, it is Stocklock Sunday and today I have a wafer lock. I am not sure where to use this. I have not seen this before, at least not here in Denmark. It's a wafer lock and you can only take it in but not out. Turn the key, that was maybe too much. Come on. There we go. It doesn't go that well. I'm actually not sure how, there we go, how that works, because sometimes it gets stuck. But it is also a cheap lock, so what could I expect? Alright, we have the bitting of the key right here. But it usually doesn't matter on these wafers, at least what I have found. Let's see, can that be there? Maybe a little too big. Then find another one. That's better. And a hook. No, we take, oops, only one. Come on. Alright, let's try to SPP this thing. Ah, there we go. Then it gets stuck there. I can still not take it off. I probably have to pick it again if I can control the tension wrench. Come on, get in there. It is not a double-sided wafer, by the way. Only wafers in one side. There we go. And now it goes off. Very nice. Alright. Let's lock it up again and see if we can rake it open as well. There we have it. I guess we can. We should be able to. But maybe not with an S-rake. Nothing. Let's try another rake. Let's try the worm. Actually, let me take a smaller tension wrench. See if that does anything. It did do something. But can't rake it. Alright. Last thing to try, let's try and rock it. Which many times I think works on wafers. If I just can control the tension wrench. That one can go in there. Alright, we take the yellow rake then. No. But we can SPP it though. I'm actually surprised I couldn't rake or rock it open. Well, it doesn't work every single time though. Alright guys, that's the Stocklock Sunday for this week. Thanks for watching and have a good day.